How to use aeration to decompose septic tank solids rapidly. Maintaining a healthy septic system is essential for efficient waste breakdown and to avoid costly repairs. One powerful method to speed up solid decomposition is aeration. This process adds oxygen into the septic tank, allowing aerobic bacteria, much more efficient than anaerobic types, to thrive and rapidly break down organic solids. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here's how to use aeration effectively. 1. Understand the process. Aeration involves introducing air into the tank, creating an oxygen-rich environment. This promotes aerobic microbial activity, which breaks down waste faster and more completely. 2. Choose the right system. There are several types of aerators. Air diffusers release fine bubbles to spread oxygen evenly. Mechanical aerators stir the wastewater while injecting air. Retrofit kits convert standard septic tanks into aerobic systems. 3. Install properly. Position the aerator or diffuser in the correct chamber of the septic tank. For best results, have it installed by a professional to ensure proper function and safety. 4. Maintain consistent airflow. Check regularly that the system provides steady airflow. Most systems need oxygen levels around 2 to 5 mg/liter to support active decomposition. 5. Combine with beneficial bacteria. For even faster results, add aerobic bacteria supplements. These boost the breakdown of solids and reduce sludge buildup. 6. Inspect and service regularly. Clean filters, check for clogs, and service the pump or blower as needed. Well-maintained systems deliver the best results. Using aeration to decompose septic tank solids rapidly can improve system efficiency, reduce odors, extend pump-out intervals, and protect the environment. It's a smart upgrade for modern septic care. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.